Thank you guys for watching another episode of Road to GTR. In this episode we will weld on the rear quarter panel and I will show you some of the steps we had to go through. I actually could not record what we did before, but basically we just cut off the wheel arch, measured the distance to the quarter panel, and right now we are welding in a new piece of metal sheet to widen it. As we were finishing the wheel arch, I realized that I was not fully satisfied with the outcome, so the next day I scraped off and grinded down every bit of silicone we just put on, and after cleaning up the whole thing, we coated it with a tin lead alloy to prevent rusting. You can see that this is quite the process, but this is the best way to prevent your body panel from rusting. Now we have to sand it down to get a smooth surface, and after that we apply a good amount of zinc spray. And then we finish it off with some silicone. We just welded in the quarter panel, cleaned up the welding spots, and now we are coating it again with the tin lead alloy. And after finishing the coating, we apply some silicone on the inner wheel arch, and we have finished the first quarter panel.